Hello and welcome to Storytime at AgWorks. I'm Sharon Pallotta and I'm going to read to you today, If You Plant a Seed. If You Plant a Seed. Words and paintings by Kadir Nelson. So if you plant a tomato seed, a carrot seed, and a cabbage seed, here we have Mr. Rabbit and Mr. Mouse are planting a seed, and it's a sunny day. In time, and a lot of time, in the daytime, through the nighttime, through the rain, and in the sun, with love and care, tomato, carrot, and cabbage plants will grow. And look how happy Mr. Rabbit and Mr. Mouse are that their seeds are growing. Well, look at that. It looks like they've grown cabbage, tomatoes, and carrots, and they're enjoying the scrumptious vegetables. But what's this? It looks like Mr. Rabbit and Mr. Mouse see something in the distance. A whole bunch of birds are looking at them. They're really looking at them. They got pretty close now. Wonder what's going on. If you plant a seed of selfishness in a very short time, what's going to happen? It will grow and grow and grow. It looks like the birds are attacking the rabbit and the mouse and all of their food, and it doesn't look like they're very happy. I guess the rabbit and the mouse weren't sharing. So it'll grow into a heap of trouble. Now look at Mr. Mouse and Mr. Rabbit. They're a mess. They don't look very happy now, do they? So, but if you plant a seed of kindness, Mr. Mouse and Mr. Rabbit are going to give some of their vegetables to the birds. They're going to be kind. In almost no time at all, where'd the birds go? Where'd they go? They came back. They came back with lots of seeds for Mr. Rabbit and Mr. Mouse. The fruits of kindness, what's going to happen? They grow and grow and grow. Well, look at that. Everybody looks happy now, and everybody looks like they're getting along. And look at Mr. Rabbit. He's dancing. He is very happy. And the birds, they're flying all around, and they're happy too. And they are very, very sweet. So now look at all of the fruits or all of the vegetables that grew because the birds came back with lots of seeds for Mr. Rabbit and Mr. Mouse because they were kind.